Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, of course, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started recording to show you that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. Let's enter the settings which are in the right upper corner and tap on About. Here we've got the reset option and simply tap on Reset. As you can see, nothing happened. We did not get back to the camera. We are still on the settings. So let's go back to check. And as you can see, the green lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the camera in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.